Good afternoon. My name is Van and I work for AcreTrader's Timberland Acquisition Team here in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I'd like to tell you about our latest offering, Rolling Fork Timber Tract. Rolling Fork consists of approximately 3,209 acres in Sevier County, Arkansas. The property has been professionally managed, has a very diverse age class of trees throughout, with approximately 91% of the property being productive timberland. Of that, 1,183 acres consist of different age classes of planted pine, while another 1,730 acres are mature hardwoods of multiple species. The remaining 296 acres consist of roads, streams, food plots, and SMZs. During our underwriting and acquisition diligence, we were able to pull off recent knowledge gained from our Saline River Tract acquisition that lies just one county over and is in the same wood basket. While these two properties might vary some, they have many similarities which provide invaluable data points that help our team make sound decisions. A major data point that we were able to realize quickly was the surrounding mill infrastructure within the wood basket. Specifically, this property lies less than 30 miles from the recently renovated Weyerhaeuser Mill in Dirts, which is now the second largest mill in the U.S. South. Due to its size, investors can anticipate activity or some type of harvest 10 out of the 11 years of the projected hold period. This allows investors to offset cost, but also should allow for constant improvements, helping the property increase in resale value. Additionally, larger land bases offer risk diversification due to its optionality. More land base means more options to harvest, defer, or even add unprojected land sales that provide return of capital to the investor earlier in its hold period. As previously mentioned, this property provides investors with the opportunity to capitalize on both the hardwood and softwood markets. Hardwood and softwood markets are both cyclical, but don't always correlate, meaning that we can shift harvest when it's best to capitalize on these differentiating price cycles, maximizing value to the investor. We're pleased to offer you Rolling Fork Timber Tract. Please join us for our live webinar and don't hesitate to reach out to our investor relations team with any questions or concerns regarding the tract.